Hello guys, so welcome to Digital Marketing for Beginners को यो 100 मिनटको कोर्समा फर्स्ट अफ अल वार्म वेलकम टु एभ्रिवान तपाईँले एड हेरेर आउनुभएको हुनसक्छ or you might have stumbled upon social media मा सन्वेको यो particular free courseको बारेमा or whatever way, but if you are here then a warm welcome from my side, and this is going to be a 100 minute of a power packed beginners lesson. So doesn't matter who you are, तर यदि तपाईँ +2 पढेर especially सोच्दै हुनुहुन्छ that you want to make a career in digital marketing, then this is a perfect place for you. You are here for a treat. So although this course is free, I would urge you and want to tell you this beforehand that your free course भएर पनि एकदमै धेरै पावरफुल र एकदमै धेरै इन्फर्मेसन प्याक्ड रहेको छ. So yeah, त्यही भन्दै अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ I want to start this giving you a little bit of an introduction about this particular session. So just a small little introduction about myself. My name is Shweta ho. So we have collaborated with Sunway College for particular this free course. I also work as a digital marketing trainer. I do a lot of mentoring. I do a lot of other stuff in a digital marketing itself. And we have this organization called as Shechin Consulting Private Limited. We do a very specific kind of a digital marketing work, which is very need based. And yeah, so there's a lot that is happening in the digital marketing industry as of now in Nepal, and a lot of exciting things, a lot of new people coming in, joining in, and there's a lot of opportunity or growth aspect ma पनि धेरै कुरा रहेको छ. So which is what we are going to actually explain here, build that foundation for you guys, and so you can identify if you want to pursue further in digital marketing and where do you fit in if you want to be in digital marketing, right? So in the past, I have had experience working for a real estate, trying to sell houses and land through online space. But apart from that, I've also been part of a non-profit organization. Similarly, branding agency ma काम गरेर पनि I've done creative branding through through digital space. So that has all been my a past experience. Also, I'm associated with other lot of other small and big projects with e-commerce, with other small startups, and this and that. So I think I will not get a lot into it, but I just want you to know that this course is definitely not something that Coursera, Udemy-बाट तानेर ल्याएर बनाइएको course sure होइन. So in this course, you will really get to know a lot of insight about Nepali market, how and what is happening in Nepali market. Also, although we are trying to just build a foundation here, and this is a beginner friendly course, regardless who you are or you already have alikiti information or less information, but this is definitely going to add a layer to it हैन. तपाईलाई केही कुराहरु अलरेडी थाहा हुन सक्छ, तपाईले फेसबुक ब्लुप्रिन्टबाट या फेरि तपाईले हबस्पटबाट कुनै अरु कोर्स गर्नु भएको छ भने पनि यो कोर्स गर्दा फेरि चाहिँ तपाईले you will definitely have a taste of a Nepali market and the idea, the foundation built got a lot of things will come from that, right? So okay, let me get into it. How this course will unfold, what you will learn, and how we proceed further. Kabari Malago. So there are going to be lessons. It is going to be a 5 lesson. One is we'll talk about the introduction. Second, we'll talk about the importance, and the third one will be different modules. We'll touch upon all the various aspect or all the various modules of digital marketing: WordPress, landing page, social media, search engine, email marketing, influencer marketing, lead generation, inbound marketing. Likewise, video marketing, analytics and KPI, marketing automation and funnel. So all this thing we are going to talk about, but on the beginner side, right? Okay, so lesson 4 is going to be traditional marketing versus digital marketing. I know a lot of you may have the concept of traditional marketing or maybe not have a concept at all of marketing, but this lesson is definitely going to help you segregate that, have little bit of a foundation of a marketing itself, so you can differentiate the traditional and the digital one, right? So lesson number 5 is going to be career opportunity. Now this one's very important if you are +2 graduate, right? So तपाईं किनभने you are trying to build a career, so your idea may be different. Your maybe तपाईं bachelor's गरिराख्नु भएको छ भने पनि you're trying to build a career. So if you're trying to build a career, तपाईं you learn गर्न खोज्दै हुन्छ because this is a new technology, this is something that you want to learn so that you can grow your resume and all that हो भने it's a different story. But if you're trying to make it as your career and want to pursue or become a marketer हो भने चाहिँ lesson 5 is definitely going to open your broaden your horizon is what is possible in digital marketing industry, because there is limitless opportunity already here in Nepal. But a lot of people don't know where to apply, what to do, which particular role to take, and then what skill set to learn in order to be where भन्ने चाहिँ थाहा छैन जस्तो लाग्छ. So I think this is going to be very helpful. Okay, so here's a disclaimer already. तपाईँलाई कुनै पनि लेसन चाहिँ ओके मलाई थाहा छ, मलाई बुझेको छु, जानेको छु भनेर स्किप चाहिँ नगर्नु होला, because I'm going to move on to the next step, and this is why I want not to skip any of the lesson. Number one, because your particular course चाहिँ 3 step मा divide भएको छ, which means you have to follow through each lesson. Why? Because there's assignment at the end of these lesson, है assignment पनि रहेको छ, and those are MCQ, which is multiple choice question. You'll be given few questions. If you answer those questions, and let's say अहिलेको you score 60% and above, then you get a certificate as well. uh, Also, there is a certification which we talked about already. So MCQ तपाईँले गर्नुभयो र तपाईँले यदि 60% or let's say the total जतिवटा questions सोधेको छ 60%, if you give the right answer, then you get certified as well. So that's the reason why we don't want you to थाहा छ भनेर नछोडिदिनुहोस्, because I can bet on this that you definitely get to learn something new, although the concept may be same, but the idea how it's getting into play in implemented in Nepali industry, त्यसले चाहिँ तपाईँलाई अलिकति it will help you to broaden your horizon. Okay, on that note, I'm going to wrap up this one. I'll see you on lesson one, and hoping for a insightful and a lot of participation. So thank you guys.